Namaste everybody, my name is Sebastian, I'm from Copenhagen, Denmark. I've just completed the 500-hour yoga teacher training here at Vinyasa Yogashala. So I have had the pleasure to spend the last 2 months here in Rishikesh with all these beautiful people, beautiful teachers. And it's been a really intense and life-changing experience. I came here as a newly started yoga teacher. I've been practicing yoga for 7-8 years. And I really wanted to get my practice and my teachings more deeply rooted in the history of yoga, the philosophy of yoga, and just take my practice to the next level. And I got what I asked for, more than I could have asked for. All the teachers have made a great impression on me, both when it comes to the asanas, pranayama, meditation, philosophy, yoga therapy, Ayurveda, and so many other things that I had the pleasure of diving into during these last 2 months. And besides the actual teacher training, the facilities here, I think, was above my expectations. The food, the rooms, the helpfulness of the staff, all the excursions we had to do, or we were able to do during the 2 months I've been here. It's really been like a great experience, and I'm so thankful to be able to have done this. And I just give a huge thanks to Vinyasa Yogashala, Ashish, and all the other teachers. Thank you so much.